Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi Q3 S-Line. The car's got the LED headlights with the daytime running LEDs, the front headlight washer jets, and also the front and rear parking sensors. As we move around to the side of the vehicle, the car has the twin spoke parallel design alloy wheels, which are 18-inch, with the chrome surrounds on the exterior windows with the chrome roof bars, dynamic sweep indicators at the rear, and the car's also a TDI quattro, so it is winter ready with the four-wheel drive system. This is an Audi user approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty, and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car's got the matte brushed aluminium finish on the inside of the door cards with the electronic folding exterior mirror option. S-Line front sport seats with the S-Line embossed logo in the leather, with the leather bolsters and the black cloth inserts, with four-way electronic lumbar support. Automatic headlights and wipers with a 3-spoke perforated leather S-Line steering wheel with cruise control, 6-speed manual gearbox with dual digital climate control, and Audi's MMI display with the navigation. If you'd like any more information on this Audi Q3, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.